Now, before we go any further, we're going to set up a demo account. So when you first open up your app, your first page that it'll take you on is your watch list. You can set up your watch list however you'd like. Now I want you to click on the menu button, which is the bottom right. And then for shortcuts, click more. So underneath trading, you'll see paper trade. So it is a few steps to get to the paper trade section. Now this is where you can paper trade stocks, options, and futures, but we're going to be focusing on stock options. So it has the buying power set to 1,000. You can set your buying power. So you just click on the net account value and you can type in what you want your account balance to be to start out with. I recommend starting with an initial amount that is going to be close to what you would actually start out with. So do not type in $1 million if you're not going to be starting trading with real money with $1 million. If you plan on funding your account with $2,000 to start, then that's what you should set your demo account value. So let's say that's the case. So I'm going to type in 2,000 and confirm. All positions will be erased and the balance will be set to 2,000. Confirm the reset, and there you have it. So here, just for a quick demonstration, you can type in the symbol that you want to look for. Let's say that we wanted to trade Apple. Okay, so I go to Apple, it'll take me to the Apple screen, and we still know it's paper trade because when we go down, we see the orange paper trade button. Okay, so this is on the chart screen. Now you're going to click on the option screen. The option screen, we have the expiration date in the center, so I like to go by that first. Let's say that we wanted to get something that expired 11 days from now, which is 2 Fridays from now. And if I wanted to get a 215 strike price put, and I'll click on the bid and ask. It doesn't matter which one you click on. Now I'm on the option screen for this exact options contract. I'm buying it. You're always buying. We're always buying options, not selling options, even when it's a put. Order type, limit. That's where you can set the price. I'm going to say market just so we can go through right away for the demonstration. One contract, time in force day. You can always leave it on day because that just means the order will be canceled after the market closes on the day. So if it doesn't go through before the day ends, it won't try to go through tomorrow. That's all that means. Market, one contract, agree to disclaimer, and it says it's working and it's filled. Perfect. So we bought one contract of that. The price that I went through for is $325, which is actually a little bit less than the bid, which is nice. Now when we go to the paper trade home screen, we'll see so far we've lost $2 and we have one open position, which is that Apple 215 strike price put option, which expires September 27th, 2024. And the 100, it's always going to say 100 because one contract equals 100 underlying shares. The market value is 323. That means if we wanted to sell it back to the market right now, it would go for 323. We bought it for 325. That's why our open P&L is negative $2. And at the bottom left, we can see the buying power. We have $1,675 left to buy new options because $325 is invested in this options contract.